sick. Hello and welcome back to my channel. We have made some stem changes. As you can see, the Hope stem is looking quite sick. Today we are going to be finishing the Hardtail, which is going to be a fantastic episode. These sort of dropouts, they actually look really cool. It looks like they've got some sort of built-in chain tensioners as well, which is quite sick. These go on the back of the frame. I'm not 100% sure how, but I'm pretty sure we will figure that bit out. I actually also at the same time bought the 29-inch version, so that if I want to make a 29er hardtail, I can do that whenever. So while I was at it, I bought these dropouts. But today we are using only the 27.5 dropouts, which is quite cool. They're 27 plus size, and I think they've got some cool chain tensioner options on them. Okay, so I am quite blown away with the dropouts. They're actually really tech. Basically, in here there's a chain tensioner which actually pushes like a screw here into the back, because I was kind of trying to figure out when running single speed on like something like a hardtail mountain bike that allows the option of gears. I was kind of thinking, will I need single speed? For people who don't know what I'm talking about, single speed is basically I'm going to be running a cog like this on the rear, just for like pump tracks, race tracks, jump tracks. It's going to be a bit of an all-rounder in terms of a bike. Obviously not long distance, but I've got the e-bike and the Nomad for that. But here's the interesting bit. Actually, loads of slidable options. So I don't know how much of the... Yeah, this is a pretty good view apart from my face from here. But check this out. So this bit here, you can actually slide the Dropout forward and back. So basically it goes this way and this way, to allow for like a longer chain length or a longer chain stay, which is actually really crazy engineering. I'm actually pretty blown away. Obviously the brake mount as well is on the Dropout, which is quite cool. I'm getting pretty tech anyway. I'm guessing most of you don't really care about the nitty-gritty details of this frame and the Dropouts, but I'm pretty impressed. This smile is no lie. Basically, check this out. This is really crazy. So I'm gonna switch this to point at the bike. This is the craziest bit. So you have a bunch of different spacer options on a single speed Hope hub. Basically, for those of you who don't know, it's called an SST, which is a single speed. Look at this. So you have about 4 different options, and you can line the chain up what you consider as like the perfect lineup. Now, I don't really know, and I haven't really got to that yet, but we can get that as smooth as we physically want. The hub sounds pretty incredible. I haven't put any tension in the wheel yet at all, and it looks quite straight. I've got to be honest, this thing is looking pretty crazy. Tightened up the cassette over here. It's actually really interesting. You use an XD drive to actually tighten up the sprocket. I've got a 14 tooth right now on the back. Actually mega straight, and the dishing is pretty much bang on accurate. Really hyped on this wheel build, to be completely honest. And the sound of this wheel is just on another level. So, the next question for the Hardtail is, what tyres are we running? This is probably one of the things that I'm most excited about this Hardtail. You have to run it plus size. So for some people who don't know what plus size is, basically, fat tyres like 2.8 to about 3 is what I would consider as plus size. I think it might start at 2.6. Anyways, we have a Maxxis Recon Plus, which is basically 2.8, and it's a bit of a smoother terrain tyre, which is going on the rear. That is probably the sickest wheel I've ever owned, built, and even messed about with. It is a Reckon Plus tyre on a Hope Pro 4 single speed setup hub, and it is a 2.8 tyre. It is insane, full tubeless, nice build on it, everything's straight, hand built by myself, so I know it's good to go. That is pretty cool. Actually, I'm so excited about this. Now we are going to install it on the beast. Let's go. This axle's mega, such a mega axle. It's DT Swiss one's got the thing where you can like actually pull this open and move this thing wherever you want it once it's tight. Really good bit of kit. So, moment of truth. How will she fit? Oh, like a dream. That looks incredible. Oh, it's driving me insane how good it looks. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna build the front wheel right now. I'm gonna straight build the front wheel right now. And I'll be back to show you. Oh my God. That is insane. Okay, you guys will be hyped to know that I am actually putting a gold chain on this build as well, which is going to look incredible. On Boost Pro 4 hub, which is basically going on another 35W Hope Fortis rim, and this is going to be hopefully another straightforward build with some halo spokes, and hopefully I'll be back in a moment with a built wheel and we'll install the second tyre, and then we'll show you more of this bad boy. A lot of comments on YouTube advised me that this ain't gonna work because I've got non-plus size Fox 36 forks. I personally think it's gonna fit, so I've decided to live reaction it. I do appreciate the comments, even if you're wrong, even if you're right. I appreciate your input, and it's good that people are looking out for me and warning me that it may possibly not fit. It makes me think about it. Let's try it. I'm a little bit nervous, but I think it's gonna fit. I have faith. So far, so good. And there is a lot of clearance. It looks as if it's fitted, just about. Okay. You know when you do something and you realise it takes you a long time to do, but when you finally do it, this is the sickest bike I own. 1000% full custom Santa Cruz Chameleon. You have got to check this out. Enjoy. God, wow, look at that. That is ridiculous. It's got a 34 tooth sprocket. It's got single speed, 2.8 monstrous tyres for the racetrack. Fox 36, Kashima coated at 130mm travel. Hope 35, short free ride stem. We got some Renfrew fat bars which need cutting down. And wow, that is a bike. That is so insane. Okay, now this is the bit that I'm actually losing my marbles over, because we are going to be installing right now a gold as hell chain, and I think, if you ask me, this is what's really going to bring the Santa Cruz Chameleon to life. The gold chain. You have no idea how long I've wanted a gold chain for. I don't know why I've never ran one on BMX, but basically this right here is a long time dream that is about to happen. I'm going to come back in a minute when the chain's installed, because it's probably not going to be a nice experience installing a chain. I'm going to figure out the dropouts. Hopefully when you come back everything's tight, locked out. This is going to be insane. How crazy the chain looks. Basically really impressed with the chain tensioners. You have a 6mm at the very end there, which basically your Allen key goes in, and that acts as a cap for basically a bolt that is further in, that is 5mm. So basically you have a 5mm bolt what tensions the chain in the rear of that bolt. It's really cool. Actually really straightforward, but also really cool how it works. I've been watching so many mountain bike videos that I was lucky enough to get one of these, which is a sick little hacksaw holder. It's actually really cool, but it's made me realise that I probably should turn the vise around so I don't snap any hacksaw blades. Look how sick one of these things is. I'm cutting the seat post down, then we're going to install the seat and have another look at the bike. Probably like day 6 of the mountain bike build. As you can see, the tyres are up, everything's running smooth. One thing I want to do with the Santa Cruz, we need to kind of decide, is this a jump bike? Is this a trail bike? Is it a cross between a jump bike, a BMX? It's almost like a hardtail BMX. It's pretty crazy. I'm about to cut the bars down. I've received this very, very fantastic gift in the last couple of days, and it was actually a birthday present, which is really, really awesome. But basically, I am cutting the handlebars down. I'm gonna put it in this way. I'm cutting the handlebars down. Well, basically, I need to decide whereabouts to cut them. But I'm going for quite short bars on this build, so I'm taking them down to about 730. And I'm going to see how that feels. In fact, I'm going to go a tiny bit shorter. I'm going to take them down to about 710. Wow, mega. Anyways, I'll come back in a minute once the other side's cut down and the bars are back on. Stay tuned. Okay, so really cool. Basically, if I'm riding like pump tracks and dirt tracks, I've got this seat post with seat, and then it actually is the same diameter as my wireless dropper post for like longer rides and stuff. If I go riding like trail centres, stuff like that. The bars are cut down, feel mega, nice and short for skate parks. Possible that I could bar spin it. We will learn more about that potentially for the end of this video. I think they look mega. Oh my god, feels sick. Okay. Wow, this thing feels crazy.
Wagwan, how's Judy?
Sup me mechanic.
You what?
What's up me mechanic?
What's up?
Is there any way if I bring me XTR lever and caliper in now, can you put a cable and bleed it for me?
Yeah, well, it's your birthday.
You reckon you could do it?
Yeah.
Okay, sick, I'll come down now.
So,
Easy, my brother.
Judy,
Say hello to the YouTube.
hello.
Is that all you got to say for yourself? You're going out to 10 million people?
Yeah, that's all I can be asked for at the minute, Right.
Feels nuts. The plus tyres feel amazing. 2.8 plus tyres. It feels a bit like... Feels like somewhere between... It sounds stupid to say, but it feels somewhere between an enduro bike and a jump bike with a bit of a BMX twist to it. Feels really, really, really cool actually. Feels like you could ride some pretty rough stuff actually. That's insane. It's so cool. Feels weird that it's got no brake right now. Oh! It's so sick. So, we are going to ignore the fact that all the sand is at the bottom and the colour is washed away in the rain. We're going to ignore that for now and we're going to focus on the fantastic, complete Santa Cruz Chameleon. It looks incredible. The brake is installed. Everything is running. Everything is dialed. Wow. What a setup. Now, we are going to end today's video with a fantastic drop-in on the new roll-in. How will it feel? I have no idea, so we are going to find out right now. something in the process of dropping in twice. It isn't complete. I need a bigger spacer here because it's rubbing on the disc. Not cool, but it feels crazy. So the next video you see on the channel will be me shredding this around some skate parks, pump tracks. Hopefully I can flip it, hopefully I can flare it, hopefully I can 360 it. Only time will tell. Make sure you give me a like if you're into the build and you are excited to see me go out and ride this thing. Make sure you tune back in for the next video. Peace.